Hello and welcome. We have our question on the board, and at this point you can pause the video and solve the question and let me know what your answer is in the comments, or you can follow along as I solve. Solution. So we have x plus y equals 6, and then xy equals 36. So this is our equation 1, equation 2. So let us work with equation 1, x plus y equals 6. So first thing to do would be to subtract either x or y from both sides. So let's choose to subtract y from both sides. So we have x plus y minus y equals 6 minus y. Positive y and negative y, they cancel out. So we have that x is equal to 6 minus y. And let us call this equation 3. Now, our equation 2 states xy to be equal to 36. So let us plug in the value of x here. We found our x to be 6 minus y, so we'll replace x with 6 minus y times y equals 36. So let us open up our parentheses. Y multiplies by 6 will give us 6y, and y times minus y will give us minus y squared equals 36. So let us subtract 36 from both sides so that we have our equation equal to 0. And so we have 6y minus y squared minus 36 equals 36 minus 36. 36 and 36 cancel out, minus 36 cancel out. And then we have minus y squared plus 6y minus 36 is equal to 0. Now, to make our y squared positive, we multiply through by minus 1. So we'll multiply left side and right hand side by minus 1. Okay? And then the equation now becomes y squared minus 6y plus 36 equal to 0. Now, this is in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where our a is equal to 1, our b is equal to minus 6, and our c is equal to 36. Now, quadratic equation states that y is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all divided by 2a. So now let us plug in the values of a, b, and c into our equation. So our b is minus 6, so we have minus 6 plus or minus the square root of b is minus 6, so minus 6 squared minus 4, a is 1, and c is 36, all divided by 2 times 1. Now, y is equal to minus times minus 6 will give us positive 6. So that's just 6. Square root of minus 6 squared will give us 36. Minus 36 times 4 will give us 144. So that's 144 all divided by 2. So let's subtract 144 or 36 from 144. And that will give us 14 from 6, that will be 8. And 13 from 3 will give us 10. So that's 108. So y is equal to 6 plus or minus the root of negative 108 all divided by 2. Right. So let us break down 108. This will give us 54. 2 here will give us 27. Then 3 here will give us 9. 3 here, 3 here is 1. So we have 2 times 2 is 4. We have 3 times 3 is 9. And then we have just 3. So 9 times 4 is 36. So we have 36 times 3 will give us 108. So now we have y equals 6 plus or minus the root of minus, what is it called, 36 times 3, all divided by 2. So now we have y is equal to 6 plus or minus square root of, we can say, minus 1 times 36 times 3, all divided by 2. So y is equal to 6 plus or minus, put them all in separate square roots. So we have root of minus 1 times root of 36 times root of 3, all divided by 2. Now our y is equal to 6 plus or minus, square root of minus 1 is I, and times root of 36 is 6, or 6 times 6 is 36, and root 3, all divided by 2. So we have that y is equal to 6 plus or minus I 6 root 3, all divided by 2. Here we can factor out 2 from the numerator. So we have 3 plus or minus 3 root 3i, all divided by 2. The 2's cancel out. So we have that y is equal to 3 plus or minus 3 root 3i. And this is our answer. So now we have that y is equal to 3 plus y1 rather is equal to 3 plus 3 root 3i, and y2 is equal to 3 minus 3 root 3i. So let us go ahead and find the x values. So we know from our equation 3 that x is equal to 6 minus y. So if we plug in the value of y, then we have that x1 is equal to 6 minus 3 plus 3 root 3i. And then x2 is equal to 6 minus 3 minus 3 root 3i. Now our x1 is equal to, if we open up the parentheses, we have 6 minus 3 minus 3 root 3i. And here we have x2 is equal to 6 minus 3 plus 3 root 3i. x1 is equal to 3 minus 3 root 3i. And x2 is equal to 3 plus 3 root 3i. So therefore our x1 is equal to 3 minus 3 root 3i, and our y1 is equal to 3 plus 3 root 3i. Here our x2 is equal to 3 plus 3 root 3i, and y2 is equal to 3 minus 3 root 3i. So these are the answers to the question. So now let us verify just to make sure that our answers are correct. So we have our equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 is x plus y equals 6, and equation 2 is x times y equals 36. So let us see if the left hand side of our equations are going to be equal to the right hand sides. Okay, so now let us try x2, y2 for both equations. So we have 3 plus 3 root 3i plus 3 minus 3 root 3i. Is that going to be equal to 6? Now we see plus 3 root 3i minus 3 root 3i cancel out. And we have just 3 plus 3, which is 6. And we see that our left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side for equation 1. Now for equation 2, let us see if we multiply x and y values, we're going to get 36. So x2 is 3 plus 3 root 3i multiplied by 3 minus 3 root 3i. Is that going to be equal to 36? So let us multiply. Open up the parentheses. 3 times 3 will give us 9. Minus 3 times 3 root 3i will give us 9 root 3i. Then plus 3 root 3i times 3 will give us plus 9 root 3i. Then plus 3 root 3i minus 3 root 3i. If we multiply, will give us minus 3 times 3 is 9. And root 3 times root 3 will give us 3. And then I times I, because I is equal to square root of minus 1, right? And then times root of minus 1. Okay, now we have 9 minus 9 root 3i plus 9 root 3i minus 9 times 3 times root of minus 1 times root of minus 1 will give us what? Minus 1. And let us see if that's going to be equal to 36. So minus 9 root 3i plus 9 root 3i will cancel out. So we have 9 minus 9 times 3 is 27. 27 times minus 1 will give us minus 27. Now minus times minus will give us plus, so we have 9 plus 27, which is equal to 36. And we see that this left hand side is also equal to the right hand side for the second equation 2. So that means that the 4 values of x and y that we found here are all correct. So if you learned something new today, make sure that you like this video, share the video, let me know what you have to say in the comment section. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.